Hi, I'm Ben. You could say I'm at a low point at the moment. It's... okay. My girlfriend wants to dump me! And in order to put some fire back into our romance, we decided to go on this trip.
You understand my direction? Do you show lots of love? I give you guns so you can protect yourself.
What the?
Shoot them!
Why do I have to? Is this supposed to be part of the tour?
What are you waiting for? Shoot them!
Excuse me.
You know talking! Die! Shoot them!
What is going on here?
Education was supposed to help us work things out!
You like that?
What was that?
They're here for us!
Wait, they're coming to attack us too!
They're tourists!
Hey! Hurry up and shoot!
Look out! Let's run!
Ahead?
Yes!
Yeah! Going off the road!
Where are we? Ah! There are more of them? We're going to crash!
Hey! What do you think those were anyway?
Hey, wait! Where are you going?
Let's go! Hurry! Hurry up! Slow down! Yeah! Tank! Shoot it! Good going! Let's keep it up! Did we kill it?
It's coming back again!
Look straight ahead!
What? There's a cliff?
Oh, we don't! Ready? Now!
Yeah! We made it!
We should probably get back to civilization.
I've got a map. It was for the tour, so it's not very accurate.
just have to trust it. Look straight ahead.
We're going to jump again!
It's something to pray about. You kung fu master wannabe! Hey! Papa! Behind you! It really is Mysterious Asia.
No time to start looking stupid. The rescuers should be right up ahead.
There should be a village up ahead. I hear someone's voice!
It's just a kid. Liz, you saved my elephant. No guns, no guns. Thank you. I pay you back.
Where do we need to go to get rescued?
I know place. Take you there. Big one coming. You get on quick now. Bugs not like this would not
this river. Get down from elephant. Come this way.
Thank you!
Let's go downriver in this boat.
Hey! Could you pull yourself together?
I'm sorry.
We're going this way.
That way?
Here they come!
They're coming from this way now! Where are they coming from?
Take this carefully. Look straight ahead.
We're going to crash!
Go around it.
Yeah!
Nice.
Waterfall!
We'll have to jump for it.
Yeah!
Why does this have to happen to me?
I swallowed some water!
It looks like we can go that way.
What was that? Look! We're going to plummet this thing!
We'll get through this.
We're going home alive! Shoot it! Did we do it?
You both okay? The rescue squad's just right up ahead. You go now, quick! We wait for rescues here.
Where is this?
This used to be an army base. They burn whole field, but use chemical and make jungle just like science amazing. This smashing your spectacle!
What is that?
What is going on here?
you okay?
Oh, you're so kind, thank you. By the way, mister, you add so many extra options today. You have to pay $4,000 more. What's that look for? A cheap price for helping no good couple who are about to break up. I'm sorry.
This is Bird 102. I've got a visual on the left of the tourist. Proceeding with rescue.
Let's go and meet them. I love you, Ben.
The game is over. Return the controller to its case. Please remain seated until directed by an attendant.